Hello everyone, welcome back to Stack Over Chai. Today is day 16 of our 100 days interview question challenge. Let's go. Today's topic is, what is exception handling in Java? Let's understand this important concept step by step. Exception handling in Java is a mechanism that allows you to handle runtime errors, means unexpected problems during program execution so that your program does not crash. It helps maintain normal flow of the program even when an error occurs. What is an exception? An exception is an unwanted or unexpected event that occurs during the execution of a program, for example, dividing a number by 0, accessing an invalid array index, opening a file that doesn't exist. Types of exceptions in Java. Java provides two main types of exception handling. First, checked exceptions. These exceptions are checked by the compiler at compile time. If not handled, the program won't compile. Example, IO exception, file not found exception, SQL exception. In this example, we are checked exception handling in Java. We have imported java.io. because we are using the file reader class to open a file named test.txt. Inside the try block, the line, file reader file equal to new file reader round bracket test.txt bracket complete, is considered risky code, because if the file test.txt does not exist in the specified location, Java will throw a file not found exception. Since file not found exception is a checked exception, the compiler forces us to handle it using a try-catch block. If the file is not found, the catch block runs and prints, file not found. This prevents the program from crashing, and the execution continues smoothly. So, in short, checked exceptions are those which are checked at compile time and must be handled properly using try and catch. Second, unchecked exception handling. These occur during program execution, runtime. Compiler doesn't check them. Example, arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, array index out of bounds exception. In this example, we are demonstrating unchecked exception handling in Java. We have an array of integers, 1, 2, 3. Inside the try block, we attempt to access array 5. But our array only has 3 elements, so index 5 is invalid. This causes Java to throw an array index out of bounds exception at runtime. Since this is an unchecked exception, the compiler does not require us to handle it, but we use a try-catch block here to handle it gracefully. When the exception occurs, the catch block executes and prints, array index out of range. This prevents the program from crashing and allows the program to continue running normally. So, in short, unchecked exceptions occur during runtime and handling them is optional but recommended for safer programs. Let's compare checked and unchecked exceptions in Java. First, when checked, checked exceptions are verified at compile time, while unchecked exceptions occur at runtime. Second, compiler requirement. For checked exceptions, the compiler forces you to handle them using a try-catch block or by declaring them with throws. For unchecked exceptions, the compiler does no checking, so handling them is optional. Third, examples. Common checked exceptions include IO exception and SQL exception. Common unchecked exceptions include null pointer exception and arithmetic exception. Fourth, inheritance. Checked exceptions are subclasses of the exception class. Unchecked exceptions are subclasses of runtime exception. In Java, exception handling helps us deal with unexpected errors during program execution. Here are the key keywords you should know. 1. Try this block contains the code you want to monitor for exceptions. If something goes wrong inside the try block, Java looks for a matching catch block to handle it. 2. Catch this block is used to handle the exception that occurs in the try block. You can define multiple catch blocks for different types of exceptions. 3. Finally, the code inside the finally block always executes, whether an exception occurs or not. It's usually used to release resources like files or database connections. 4. Throw. This keyword is used to manually throw an exception from a method or a block of code. 5. Throws. This is used in a method signature to declare the exceptions that a method might throw, so the calling method knows it has to handle them. By using these keywords together, Java ensures your program can gracefully handle errors without crashing unexpectedly. Why use exception handling? 1. Maintains normal program flow. 2. Handles runtime errors gracefully. 3. Makes applications robust and reliable. 4. Follows clean and readable error handling approach. That's all for day 16. In the next video, day 17, we'll move back to front end with another important Angular interview question. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Stack Overchai for daily interview questions. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.